How to delete any channel from your Discord server. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the exact steps on how you can delete any particular channel from your Discord server, be it a voice channel or a text channel. So in order to start, the first thing that we're going to do is simply launch our Discord application, and then from here, click onto the second tab, which is currently my server with the initials WS as its name is mod server. Now from here, I can see that I have the following channels. I have two text channels and one voice channel. So let's say I want to delete this particular channel, which name is ideas. So in order to delete this particular channel, all you can do is simply right click over this, and from here you have the last option that says delete channel. Simply click onto this delete channel, and from here it will give you a warning or a confirmation that says, are you sure you want to delete ideas? This cannot be undone. So make sure that this is a permanent steps and it cannot be undone. So if you want to proceed, simply click onto this delete channel button, and now you can see that the channel has been successfully deleted. So that was all for this quick and simple tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.